Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Gibson Guy here. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Today I'm doing a little bit different video. I have done a couple videos on this Contax 139, which is a fantastic camera and really amazing Carl Zeiss lenses on it, which really give us some amazing pictures. I'm going to be bringing you some of those very soon. But I wanted to do this short video today as a presentation video. When I first got this camera a couple of weeks ago, it had the original covering on it, the leather, fake leather skin that goes on them. And like all of the Contax cameras, the skin was a total mess. It was all disintegrating, falling apart, rotting out, and just leaving a trail of black, nasty, fungusy looking crumbs behind it. And so I took on this camera knowing that's how it was. The camera was in fine shape and the lens is great, but the camera as I got it was really ugly. And so that's when I decided I wanted to do a presentation video now that I have finished it. I had done some indoor shooting and I really couldn't get anything that quite showed how the finish looks on it with the new skins. So I thought I'm going to set up outdoors and do a presentation video where you can see how this really came out. Like there's little things around the memo box there, or you slide in the roll of film, or you can see there's little bits of stuff that's leftover glue there, and I have to take that off. There's a few spots where that shows up. It's really tricky taking the glue off on there, but it can be done. And the secret is you got to get it off and get it completely cleaned off before it dries, because then you'll get the glue spots again. But the camera came out great, and so I just wanted to let everybody see a video where you can see the whole thing, how this camera's supposed to look, and it comes out looking like a great new camera, and it's really 45 years old. And this is one of the greatest greatest deals I've seen. Now, since I have put these videos up, I noticed that I got a lot of attention on the Contax 139Q, but one of the things that I was talking about on my videos was that this is a real bargain camera, because if you buy just the lens, the cheapest you're going to find one is going to be about $120 plus shipping, just for the 50mm f1.7 planar, as they call it. And if you're going to go with the Contax, you can use the Yashica lenses, but you really want to. The idea of having the Contax is that you can use the original Carl Zeiss T lenses, which are phenomenal lenses. I have a couple of them. I'll show you one on another video. But when I got this, there was a bunch of 137s and 139s that were for sale for really cheap prices, and you could buy it, get the skin kit, put it on it, and have a fantastic deal with a great lens. Or you could buy the Contax camera body itself for $40 or $50, or you could spend about $150 to get the camera body with the 1.7 T-Star lens. Now there was a bunch of them that you could buy for about $150, and then you can restore it and have this great package. But if you wanted to buy it without the lens, if you wanted the T-Star lens, you're better off buying it with the camera as a set. Now, there was a bunch of them a few weeks ago when I first started on this project, and since that time, like as of yesterday on eBay, I could find one Contax 137Q quartz camera with the 50mm f1.7 T-Star lens for I think it was $149.99. All the rest of them are over 200 now. that's unfinished, not ones that have been refinished like this, but the T-Star lens. If you want to buy one, there's only one on eBay, and it's 120 bucks for that one. So you could, I decided I wasn't going to go for it because I like sticking with the 139. I didn't go into the 137s. It seems like they may have a little bit lower resale value, maybe because it's auto winder only, because it has the built-in winder and doesn't have a wind arm on it. But just since I started talking about this on YouTube, it seems like the market has really blown up, and everybody's out after these Contax lenses that they can buy, and these cameras, which are such a great deal. So check around carefully. Try to find a 139 or a 137 or an RTS with the 50 millimeter lens, and if you can get it for 150 or something like that, that's a really good deal. But those are going to get snatched up real fast now because everybody knows about that. So that's my story on the 139 for now. I will be doing a final video on it where I'm going to take it out with my both of my Carl Zeiss lenses and shoot some outdoor scenes with both lenses on this camera. And then when I get the pictures back, then I'm going to do a video of the camera, the lenses, and the picture results that I got from it. So that's where I am right now on that. I hope you enjoyed this one. Spinning around a little bit. This is supposed to be made for a cake, but it works with a camera on it too, especially one that looks really nice, like these Contax 139 quartz models. Alright, until next time, this is Mr. Gibson Guy, and I am out of here.